Hello everyone, welcome to English Shorthand classes. Exercise 13. Get ready for the education. Start. I would like to draw the attention of the Honorable Minister to one important point and request him to draw the attention of the states to this aspect of the matter. Stop. Every state has a famine relief code, but this relief code is out of date in terms of the rupee value. Stop. It has become absolutely meaningless for those persons whose entire belongings are washed away by the floods. Stop. I would like to suggest that the state government be advised to bring the relief code up to date to raise the relief quantum to a meaningful level according to the value of the rupee. Stop. This should be done perhaps every 3 years, and this code should go not only into the question of providing urgent relief but also into the question of collection of land revenue. Stop. Surely loans can be rescheduled and that should form part of the relief code. Stop. That should form part of the relief program. Stop. The floods have become more recurrent for one reason, that the natural drainage systems in certain parts of the country have been disturbed. Stop. क्या आप लिख पा रहे हो अच्छे से? कमेंट में ज़रूर बताएं ताकि मैं स्पीड आपके अकॉर्डिंग लेके आ सकूं। और क्या आपका कुछ इम्प्रूवमेंट हुआ?